Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got an unbagging for you. This comes from Everyday Deals and has got some things in that are a little bit different from what we would normally open. So let's get straight into it. Got I think 4 items to do today. Get rid of that. Okay, so we're going to start off with this little one. So this, oh, I've lost my prices, bear with me. So let's just get in here. Oh, come on, open up. Doesn't want to let me in. Oh no. Oh, here we go. Right, so this is a crystal prism. It's taken a little bit of a dink. Oh, what a shame. If you can see just here, it's, oh, I wonder if, no, that is indeed a bit of a defect. Oh, that's such a shame, but nonetheless it's still beautiful. I'm just gonna give it a little shine. So this is described on their website as colourful crystal prism ball pendulum pendant hanging for courtyard garden window, and it's, oh sorry, not even in frame. It is absolutely stunning, and you can see, you know, it's fairly good size. It's chunky and it's fat as well. It's not like a thin one. I'm so disappointed that it's taken that little knock. I wonder how that happened. I will mention it to them, but these items were sent to me to review. So yeah, I'm not expecting, I'm sure if a regular customer was to receive something that was damaged, they would most definitely be able to return it for something that didn't. Oh, it's such a shame. No, it's definitely, it is an indent in the, sorry, fixating on tiny little details. But yeah, you can see how absolutely sparkly that is. I was thinking towards my February event, Hearts and Diamonds, and thinking that this would be a nice thing, you know, to check out, to see if I wanted to get some to add to the prize pot. So yeah, they are lovely. I've got a few hanging crystals. Oh, mind the camera. A few hanging crystals around the house. But yeah, this one was a particularly good price, really. I've seen, if they can be cheap, but the cheaper they are, they tend to be, you know, a lower quality, as you'd expect. This came out at £5.19, which for this size is a very good price. Yeah, very good indeed. So all aside from that little dink in it, which is disappointing but not the end of the world because it still functions. Yeah, really lovely. Just something, it's always worth looking at what else these sites sell. With that in mind, I hope that this is okay. This was a really random find. So there is a section on their website, on the Everyday Deals website, that says home decor. And it's always worth checking it out because you really never know what you're going to find there. If this is as good as I hope it is, or as good as it looked in the pictures, then I'll be very happy. So, oh, the staticky polystyrene is mad. Okay, let's get you out of here. So as many of you are aware, I am a pagan and a Wiccan, and the horned god is central to our wheel of the year and our deity stories. So this is a version of the horned god known as Sununus. I'm probably saying that wrong. It's how I've always said it. Either Canunus or Sununus is the way that I've heard it said previously. So this has him here with his talk and his he's got a snake wrapped around this arm, and then he's got creatures with him. It is not the cleanest sculpt that I've ever seen, but it will still look really lovely on our family altar, and you don't see a lot of god statues, so finding this was a real find. I was very excited to see that they had this. He was £14.72. He is a resiny kind of substance that's then been painted. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with him. He is listed as resin Canunus, horned animal god statue, figurine, garden home god sculpture. If any of you have recently seen the Diamond Art Club release of their druid statue, he puts me in mind of that. Yeah, I'm very pleased with him. He's come out lovely, and as I say, great price for a really unusual find. So just size wise, let me give him a little measure. He is just under 5 inches tall and about 3 inches wide. So yeah, a nice size. Again, you know, you can see him sort of with my hands for scale. So on to more traditional products. We'll do this one first. Again, I was thinking about the Hearts and Diamonds event when I spotted this one, and I think because I've been working on the Mandy Manzano stained glass style artwork, this just really caught my eye and I liked it. So this is, as you can see, hearts in stained glass. So yeah, lovely and colourful. We've got 21 colours in round with BMC. It's a poured glue canvas. The glue does go rather a long way over the edge, so you'll definitely need some washi tape around the edge to stop that from getting a little sticky. But yeah, lovely clear canvas, no problems. It is just alphabet symbols. Yeah, I think this would be a fun one to do, and I bet that the finished picture will be really quite stunning. So we've got our drills here. They are in those tiny little packets that are very annoying to open, so I'm not going to get them all out. But you can see the lovely selection of colours that we're going to get. It's like the full rainbow, which is really lovely. And interestingly, no 310. So we've got, what's the N? The N is... Okay, so most of this sort of the lead working around the outside of the glass shapes is going to be 413. Interesting. That is very interesting. And then Dino 2. Okay, so, but yeah, we're not going to see any flat black at all. So, and also, you know, standard kit with a couple of baggies thrown in. All you would need, I always say, you know, as much as we like to get all these extra special things, ultimately, boat wax pen is all you need. So pop that one off to the side. And I do not remember what this one is. So, oh, price for that one, sorry. That was Everyday Deals Diamond Painting Full Diamond Drill Coloured Hearts, style 5, shape round in a 30 by 40, £6.17. What is this? I do not remember. Oh, we've got, okay, so it's another round. Oh, look at those colours. Those are my kind of colours. Purples and lilacs. Oh, yes, I recall this one now. So, this is a 30 by 40, 20 colours in round. I'm just going to do the trick of pulling back. Oh, we don't want that to happen. This has got some very strong creases in it. There we go. And as soon as you start releasing this, it just releases that tension, and then you can lay it back down, and it already has started to flatten out a lot better. This is quite a tough canvas, so it may take, oh, I hate that noise. It may take a little while longer to lay flat. That's pretty good though. So what I was going to do was measure it, because it looked like a pretty good size. Yeah, so that's 35 by 25. So yeah, as we would expect, you're losing a few centimetres each side. But that's fairly normal with these things. So as I say, 20 colours. We've got all alphabet symbols. It is super clear. Look at that. And just really lovely colours. I thought it would be great for spring flings. I love Sakura cherry blossoms. I think they're so pretty. And yeah, it was, now that I see it, it's all coming back to me. I'm remembering it all. It's the sort of thing, I'd love to do this as a paint by numbers, actually. I think this would be a fun one to do. This was super cheap. Diamond painting, full round, purple flower, they're calling it. £3.52. Absolute bargain. And this is where companies like Everyday Deals really do come into their own, is that they're able to provide these lovely clear images at super bargain prices, which means everybody, whatever your budget, can diamond paint and get the benefits of it. And that's, yeah, I really like that. So I will pop all of the prices and things for everything that I've unboxed today into the description, so that you can go check them out. There'll be links down there as well, so that you can go and find things that you like on their website. So just to reiterate, we've got our Kanuna statue, we've got our couple of diamond paintings, and we've got this very sparkly heart, which, yeah, I'm really happy with. I am going to mention to them about the damage to the heart, but it's not a deal breaker for me. It's I think it's okay. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching me unbox these slightly unusual items today from Everyday Deals. Please do go and check them out. You can use my links down below. And yeah, that's all from me for today. So if you enjoy my content, as always, please do consider to leave a like, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty.